In this exercise, we'll multiply 6 3/4 times 2/3, and we'll write a mixed numeral for the answer. 6 3/4 is a mixed numeral, and in order to multiply, we will need to write that in fraction notation first. Writing fraction notation, I multiply 6 times 4, which is 24, plus 3, which is 27. So I write 6 3/4 as 27/4. Multiplying that by 2/3, I now can multiply numerators and multiply denominators. I have 27 times 2 in the numerator and 4 times 3 in the denominator. Before I carry out those multiplications, I will factor to see if I can simplify. 27 is, I notice I have a factor of 3 in the denominator, and I can write 27 as 3 times 9. And looking at 4, I notice I have a factor of 2 in the numerator, so I'll write 4 as 2 times 2. Now I can simplify by noticing that there is a factor of 3 and a factor of 2 common to the numerator and the denominator. So I will factor that out, 2 times 3 over 2 times 3, times what is left, a 9 in the numerator and a 2 in the denominator. This is 1 times 9/2, so that's 9/2. Now that's a simplified fraction form, but we want to write a mixed numeral for the answer. 9 over 2 in mixed numeral form is 4 1/2. So 4 1/2 is the product of 6 3/4 times 2/3.